What's going on, guys? Do you hate cords like I do? Extension cords, don't want to drag anything around the house, clean your car without wires? This video is for you. What's going on, guys? My name is Chris. I'm back with you with another unboxing and review video. This one's going to be for the MOOSOO lithium-ion battery shop vac, wet dry shop vac, I should say. And the model number is the L7. This is, again, a shop vac vacuum cleaner. Think about your car, think about all your goodies in your house without having, again, to deal with cords. Let's go ahead and get this thing out of the box, and we're gonna go ahead and run through it. And as we run through it, there's your manual right there, but just like all my unboxing and review videos, guys, in the description box right below the video is gonna be this exact same battery-powered shop vac, wet dry shop vac, so you guys can read more about it, pick one up yourself after the video is done. That's gonna do it for the box. It's a very simple product, but packs a punch. So let's get this out here. The battery inside is a 2000 milliamp battery, and the dust tank volume is 7 liters. It has a 2-in-1 brush, a sofa brush, the hose. You are allowed to rinse the filter to clean it off. Just make sure it's totally dry before you do put it back in and reuse it. Okay, right off the bat, you have your power button right on top up here. You do have double clamps on the side. Those unclamp, and then it lifts straight up here. Here's our filter here. Let's go ahead and go through what we have inside as well. We have, of course, our charging cable here. We have our sofa brush here. We have our hose here with looks like clip clamps right there. And that is expandable, as we see right there. We have, of course, our very nice 18-volt, 2000 milliamp battery designed just like a power tool battery right there. And it probably has the same clamps as what looks like a DeWalt. So you guys could probably, as long as it's similar voltage, go ahead and use a 18-volt DeWalt as well. It looks the same, don't quote me on that one. It does have a battery indicator light on the front of the battery, designed like DeWalt or Milwaukee batteries. And here we have another attachment here. All right, we're out here in the garage here, and I clipped on my little hooks here and here, and what that is for is just like that. You could stash this in the back of your car here. Now, when the car does come back into the garage, we will show you the car, of course, but I do want to show you some gravel, maybe some stuff around your house with level 2. Let's go ahead and turn it on. Again, blue is level 1, purple is level 2, and let's go ahead and see what we got right here. Being able to just jam in there. For thicker pebbles, it looks like you just kind of have to get in there nice and flat. Again, a flat angle. Let's go ahead and see what we got here. Yeah, getting it all real nicely in the crack. Let's go ahead and show you the power of this bad boy. Let's go ahead and get this dirt clot right here. And go ahead and get that bad boy up. And real nice where the dirt was. Let's show you this crack right here. So if this is gonna be picking up gravel, then this is gonna be definitely doing a great job. Again, look at that bad boy. So just get it nice and flat. Look at that crack now. There's nothing there. Let me show you one more time right here. So all this stuff right here, we're just gonna get in there. That's level 2, being able to whip up there really nicely. So that's gonna get all of your goodies, not to mention long hose, pulls up real nice, got your handle. You move over to the next section over here. You start go ahead and cleaning all over the place. Look at all this dust as it's just getting all over the place. We'll show you the other attachments here when the car comes. Click it one more time to go off. Put that bad boy right there. Stack that on up and you're good to go. Let's go ahead and take a look at the battery here. Let's go ahead and unclip that. And that battery is still 100% juiced. Looking good. Go ahead and clip it back in. Just like that. Just like that. Boom. Bada bing, bada boom. You can put your other 2 attachments right on the top here, sticking straight up. Put that in your utility closet. Or go ahead and just throw it on up here and wait until you are ready to roll. I don't know about you guys, but I am loving battery-powered stuff. And a battery-powered vacuum is in the books. Next, I'm looking to get a battery-powered weed whacker for gardening. Let's go ahead and see what we pulled up here. Very nice. Let's go ahead and lay that on its side for right now. Now, this is where you do got to be a little careful because there's so much dust from snow, but look at all the dust from the crack. Right here, we are in the country, so we just get a lot of this all throughout the house, especially the garage, obviously. And then just be careful where you set this because you will have some dust on the filter. Just understand you probably will, if you're using it for purposes like I just did, you probably will have to clean that filter a little bit more often. This is just literally from the country driving in, the snow. You guys that live out in the country know exactly what I'm talking about. All right, guys, the car is here. My attachments are on top here. Let's go ahead and set that on down here. Now, again, if I haven't stated it before, it's very light as well. Let's go ahead and open up and let's check out the floor mats here. And let's see what we can do here. So let's go ahead and just leave that on the ground there. And what we want to do is we want to get all this nasty stuff up right here. Let's go ahead and put number one, first our attachment with our brush head here. That does flip down if you want just a hard plastic piece getting in between your seats, etc. This is great for getting in between the sections right here, getting all down in here. Again, this is the country. Getting your floor mats all down the row here. All the rocks through the grooves. Over here, let's go ahead and get that guy up and we'll show you here. Getting all the rocks. The big rocks, the big chunks. Let's go ahead and just get that floor mat out of there completely and just get these big rocks here. Now, if this is taking too much time with this attachment, remember, switch over to the other one, or don't even use the attachment at all and just the hose head. Well, it looks a lot better after about 60 seconds of cleaning. Now let me go ahead and show you the seat here. With this attachment, this gets your couches, this gets your seats, your upholstery, being able to get right in those little wedges right there, all right there. And again, your other attachment can get in your cup holders as well. See the cracks? That's where the debris always gets in there, right in those little cracks right there and the cracks right here. And again, I mean, you could use this one here if you want as well. It's just a bigger attachment. I'm looking and I'm liking. Let's go ahead and kick that off. All right, just got done vacuuming the entire car and I'm very curious to see what kind of battery life I got left. Let's go ahead and take a look here. All right, we got 3 bars. So after vacuuming the garage and the entire car, we have 3 bars left. Very nice job. And just having this tube right here, I was able to get the dust and debris right here that builds up, especially in your trousers right here. So that's great. Not to mention all the way down here, there's some dirt. Again, these do need to be washed. Those are vacuumed, but those need to be washed. That's just caked on dirt, not anything I can suck up with the vacuum. So without saying, those do need to be scrubbed or go into the pressure washer and clean those bad boys. But what I think I like about it the best is it's really hard to do it with one hand, obviously when I'm filming, but I actually just held it in one hand or set it on the garage floor. And then with the hose here, I was able to then hold the hose in one hand while I'm holding this if I needed the height of the vacuum to go up a little bit, or just set that on the garage floor. Now also remember, I did switch up the hoses. Now it's over to the blowing area. Let's go ahead and just try this real quick. This is pretty caked on, but let's just see what happens here. Without kicking up too much dust. So obviously it's not as powerful as a leaf blower, but as you can see, it's definitely moving stuff. I would use the blowing function more for like woodworking projects or something like that. Now, if you wanted to be really gentle, I would go ahead and just leave it on number 1, but I think level 2 is just fine for your major sucking. It would be nice if it had a level 3 just for beefy things, but you just have to run over it a few times with level 2. So most of the jobs you're gonna do, level 2 is gonna be completely fine. I do like how it's wet and dry. I do like that it's lithium-ion battery pack. I like the accessories. Guys, in the description box below is going to be this exact same lithium-ion battery-powered vacuum. You guys can read more about it, pick it up yourself. It's in the description box below. It passes my test. Maybe next generation will be even beefier and stronger. But just like all my videos, guys, please don't go into debt for anything that I do make a video about. But if it intrigues you and you have the cash, go ahead and purchase on away. Guys, once again, that link is down in the description box below. Please thumb that video up if it has helped you make an informed decision, and subscribe to the channel because we got a lot of videos like this in the books. We'll see you guys on the next one. Take care. Bye-bye. Don't let the party stop, guys. Hit one of these videos, continue to watch, and we'll see you soon.